This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football Series 4 3-box eBay break. October 25th, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Joey JAX806 with the Bills, Dolphins, Saints, Panthers, and Jaguars. Racer 140 with the Colts and Rams. BRSCHR-295 with the Browns, Patriots, Seahawks, Cardinals, Falcons, Texans, and Raiders. MCE 6017 with the Titans and Bengals. B-25 Bob with the Jets and Redskins. DY Barrow _0 with the Buccaneers. MIK WIDOW-0 with the 49ers. PEGI 1900 with the Steelers. Matt-VANP with the Eagles. JERANDE 68 with the Giants. AASMU-59 with the Lions and Packers. DERKILPA _0 with the Vikings. CHRICAR-265 with the Chargers. TOMNMIC 51306 with the Chiefs. ERLAU 7021 with the Broncos. TMACNH with the Cowboys. SMLE4EVR with the Bears. And Lena Legend with the Ravens. That is your full lineup. Okay. 1, 2, 3 boxes. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Series 4. Here we go. Your first Autograph Mini Helmet coming your way. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Autograph Mini Helmet number 1. On the board first, the Ravens. Beautiful looking mini helmet there. And there's your auto right there. How about Mr. Rod Woodson? Beautiful Rod Woodson. Ravens. Beckett COA there. Ravens strike first. Beautiful Rod Woodson autograph mini helmet. Lena Legend. Congrats. Beautiful Rod Woodson. Very nice. Ravens strike first. Beautiful Rod Woodson. Autograph mini helmet box number 2 coming at you. All right, here we go, guys. Autograph mini helmet number 2. Titans on the board and Eclipse alternates. Got that beautiful matte black finish on there. And right there is your auto, and that is Ryan Tannehill. Beautiful Ryan Tannehill, Beckett COA there. Eclipse alternate, the Titans, Ryan Tannehill. Very nice. Titans owned by MCE 6017. Congrats, beautiful Ryan Tannehill. Autograph mini helmet Eclipse alternate Titans. Very nice. Okay. Autograph mini helmet box number 3 coming at you. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Autograph mini helmet number 3. And the Bears. That is a flash alternate, yes. Beautiful. Flash alternate. Roquan Smith. Autograph mini helmet Bears. Beckett COA. Beautiful Roquan. Bears striking last. Bears owned by SMLE4EVR. Congrats. Beautiful Roquan Smith. Very nice. That's really nice. Love that flash alternate. Beautiful colors there. Roquan Smith. Let's run back through the mini helmets here. Roquan. Flash alternate. The Bears. Beautiful Ryan Tannehill. Eclipse alternate for the Titans. Very nice. Love them Eclipse alternates. Titans. Mr. Ryan Tannehill. And we started out with the Ravens. How about Mr. Rod Woodson? Beautiful Rod Woodson. Autograph mini helmet for the Ravens. 3 beautiful autograph mini helmets. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan 1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We still have 2 more breaks coming up tonight. We also got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long, guys. Please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for your support. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Please be smart. Be safe out there.